Test 1 2 3, test 1 2 3. Whoa, okay, this is cool, seriously cool. Yo, what's up guys, my name is Kanza and welcome back to my channel. Okay, for those who are new in my channel, please do hit the subscribe button down below. Okay, for today's video, I'm going to unbox and review this thing. This is the LED strip light that I just bought. Okay, this is the must-have item that you need to put on your table to make it more awesome and beautiful. I bought this because I want to replace my light back there. I'm not sure you can see it. Okay, I'm gonna take it out. This is actually lightsaber that I bought during the New Year, so I'm planning to replace this with the strip light, and let's have a go. Okay, here's the box. So right now, as you can see here, this is the, I think this is the remote. It's the remote, the cable, the power adapter, I'm not sure about this one. Okay, so this is the Wi-Fi LED controller, and this is the light. I have two, so right now I'm gonna open just one. Okay, let's put it aside. Adapter. Cable, the whole cable. Okay, just plug it here. What else do we have here? Okay. So we have, I think this is the double-sided tape. Maybe. Just put it aside. Okay, let's go for this one first, the manual. So this is the instruction for the Wi-Fi LED controller. Okay, so okay, this is the remote. So you have the RGB and white. You have flash, strobe, fade, smooth, and all the colors here. This, I think this is the brightness. So this on, off, and on, and this is the battery. Let's open light. This arrow, you need to put it here. Okay. And this is the double-sided tape, if you want to paste it anywhere you want. I also forgot where this also, you can also scan the QR code here, so you just can straight download from your apps. Going to be here. Okay, let me try to put the power on. Let's have a go. And on. Right. Okay, wow. Okay, I'm going to close the light here so you can see it better. So it's on and off. Okay, and on again. here. So here's red, green, blue, and white, and you can mix it here. This color, change to any color you want. Okay, so you need to point it out to the receiver here, if not you won't change the color. So let's change back. I think this is orange. Okay, this is strobe light. It's the flash. So the flash basically changed to random color. Strobe, the fade, and this is smooth. Wow. Okay, let's try to use the app. Okay, this is my old phone, so I'm going to use it to download this app. So it's called Magic Home Pro. Okay. Okay, so click here. Okay, sorry for the crack, because it's my old phone and because I'm using my another phone to record this video. Okay, let's go here. Wait, why it doesn't work? Okay, so you basically need to close this first and add new device. Add device. Okay, so you need to sign in. You need to sign up for this account. Okay, I'm going to sign up first. Sign in. Okay. Add new device. Yes. And yes. Okay, I think this is the device, and I'll reconnect to the Wi-Fi. Okay, so you need to connect this LED light with the Wi-Fi. Okay, so it's connected. Wait, I'm not sure how it's turned out actually. It's weird. Okay, it's worked out. So I can turn on over here. Oops. I can turn on it over here and open it. Wow. So I can change the color based on where I put. Okay, so we have DJI. So this is where you can control the brightness. Wow, this is nice. Okay, so you have this. Okay, so this is where you can save your favorite color. So for example, I want to choose this green. So long press here, so I got the green, and change to the red color. Kind of, yeah. Okay, for this one, long press, and there. So press back here, you can change it. Okay, function. Okay, sound color, great, crossfade. Okay, there's lots of function. Green, blue, yellow, cyan, purple, white, red and green crossfade. Wow, lots of color. Okay, so this is mic. I'm not sure how it turns out. Okay, wait. Hello. Wow, this is nice. Okay, open up the sensitivity. Test 1 2 3, test 1 2 3. Whoa, okay, this is cool, seriously cool. So it can detect your voice or any sound, so, and it change the color and brightness based on the sound itself. Okay, for music, I'm not sure if you can hear the music. Okay, sorry for the background, there's a super bike moving around here. Okay, so you can change color. Okay, allow the music. Okay, let's go for Naruto. Wait, I forgot that my phone microphone, the sound is broken, so I cannot use this one. So basically you have the cinema base. Okay, so this is where you can put on mute, watch movie, and please point mobile phone camera at the TV screen. So basically, okay, so basically you need to point out the mobile phone at the so basically you need to point the your phone camera at the TV screen and put it in the red box, and the light will change accordingly to the TV screen. Close. This is camera. I'm not sure how it turns out, so you need to capture the color. Okay, I'm not sure how it turns out actually. Okay, let's try this one, but with music. Okay, so I'm gonna open up my laptop after this. Okay, let's put it at my table. So I'm going to put this around here, around the table. Is it? Let's try it on. Okay, so that's it for today's video, and I hope you guys like it, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more, and I'm gonna see you on my next video. Ciao.